Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my Supernatural Pan Interrupted update for you. This is a project that I don't have any rollouts this month, but details. Pan Interrupted, Supernatural. I'm a big Supernatural fan. I'm sad, of course, that it is over, but I started this with my girl Amanda back in 2018, August of 2018, and we decided we were going to pan a product for every episode that ever aired. And yeah, it's a long time project. It's all good. It is all good. A bunch of people have joined in. They are going to be listed down below if you want to go check them out. There are some people that are on YouTube, some people on Instagram, some people do both. If you want to join in, we would love to have you. If you join in, let me know and I will put you down below, and that way other people can find you. I am currently in the midst of season 4. I do have one product that is still from season 3, but most of my products are from season 4. Like I said, no rollouts this time, but it is the end of the year, so I'm really hyper focused on products that I need to finish by the end of the year, because those projects end, where this one is going to be going on for years and years and years and years, because that's just the way it goes. All right, so let's get into this. First is my season 3 episode, Time Is on My Side. It is the doctor that is obsessed with eternal life and anti-aging and stuff like that. So I chose the Exuviance Age Reverse hand peel. It is this is the peel liquid, and then after you let that sit on your hands for a little bit, then you go in with this hand cream. It's the Rejuvenator, and it just kind of deactivates the peel, so you know the chemicals don't keep doing what they're doing, and it just puts moisture back in your hands. I made a tiny bit of progress on this one. I was at the blue last time, and now I am down here. I really need to pick up my pace on this one, because I feel like it's hit or miss when I use it. I need to use it more, plain and simple. It is the season where I really should be doing it much more frequently, because my hands get super dry, and I have that layer of dried skin that needs to come off so that the moisture can penetrate it when I put it on a nice hand cream or something like that. I really need to use it much more, so that is staying in. Now on to season 4, Wishful Thinking, one of my favorite episodes. It is where I actually started watching Supernatural. This is the exact episode where I came into it, and then I backtracked and I started over from, episode 1 and caught up to that point, and then I kept with it. So, Wishful Thinking is all about a wishing well, doing mystical things, because someone used a mystical coin to create the first wish, and then it opened up this portal for everyone else to be able to wish on this well. So I chose the Jelly Much Shadow in Mystical. If I can open the packaging, it's always easier said than done. I probably don't even need to keep it in the packaging, but this is what Mystical looks like. It's really pretty. It's a nice topper shade. My goal is to use it 5 times. I've currently used it twice, so I have used it since the last update. I'm hoping that I can get the other 3 uses on this by the next update, because I'm ready to start rolling some new stuff in. I'm ready for a new year of lots of fresh products to play with. I know I can't be the only one. All right, the next one is I Know What You Did Last Summer. There is an angel in that episode. It's a girl that thinks she hears angels, but she actually is an angel, and so I played on that whole angel thing, and yes, I know it's funny. Someone always gets a good chuckle out of this every time. I chose the Bare Minerals Angel Food Cake. Yes, I know it's weird, but it has angel in it. Eyeshadow, I want to use it 5 times. I have used it twice. For Heaven and Hell, I chose Bare Minerals Heavenly Diamond. I actually do have it on my lids today. Again, 5 uses. I have gotten 2 uses on that one. This one is probably my best progress. This is for Family Remains. It's kind of a creepy episode. It's a family of, it's an incestual family. There's children born of incest. They are hiding in this house that people think is haunted, but it's actually this family that's living in there, and they don't see the light of day. And so it's kind of Like my take on that is it's a frankening of like the family jeans over and over and over again. So I chose a Franken product here. This is an eyeshadow that I made, and I'm making massive progress on this one. I do think this is going to be done by the next update. I thought it could possibly be done by this update, but I think I was just a little overly ambitious. But given what little product is left around the edges, and it's pretty thin, I'm going to go out on a limb and say it will be done by the next update. All right, the very last one that I cannot say. I did say it when I brought it in, but I'm going to hyphenate it, and I got laughed at for that one, but I try to keep things somewhat family friendly because my kids do occasionally, they're awake now, but sometimes they will hear me editing and I don't want them to hear bad words, so I'm going to keep it, PG. Criss Angel is a D-bag. Yes, I know it's not horrible language, but it is what it is. If you don't know who Criss Angel is, he is a magician, and he kind of, so I chose an eyeshadow out of this palette, this Essence Fairy Wings and Magical Things. It made sense, and I chose the shade It's Magic because, well, I mean, he's a magician. It makes sense to me. Again, I want to use it 5 times, and I have used that twice. So all the eyeshadows that I have in here for 5 uses, I'm at the 2-use mark. They all need 3 more uses. Crossing my fingers that I can get all of those done because it's 1, 2, 3, 4 eyeshadows that I still need 3 uses on. It would be super nice, like I said, if I could bring 4 new episodes and 4 new products in for the next update. Definitely go check out the others that have joined into this project. Again, listed down below. If you want to join in, we would love to have you on this panning journey. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.